towards the city, Jurong East and Tuas Link. Cross over to platform A on the right for train service towards Pasir Ris.